Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I think there's something wrong with my dog. He's been sitting in this corner all alone for a little while, and I don't know why. If you know what's wrong with him, can you tell me in the chat below? I don't know what's wrong with him. He's not depressed, I know that. He's just sitting here, and he looks sad. What's wrong? And I want to help him, so please tell me if you know what's wrong with him. Come on, Dozer. Oh, he's coming. Sorry, my house isn't that clean right now. I'm watching my favorite YouTubers. Dozer, come on. It's night time right now. But we have to find out what's wrong with my dog. Sentimental. Hey Dozer, what's wrong? Look at the camera. Oh, look at it. Okay. He's following me. Oh, heck no. Baseball tire. Just planted a plant, and it's doing good. Now, this is my first video in so long, so if you find this if you find this video, can you share it with your friends? If you could, that would be great. Bye.